up, man? It's your boy Hemi Beats, and I am back again with another video for y'all, man. Now, basically on today's video, I don't even know what I'm gonna get into, what I'm gonna do. I don't really know what there is to do, but currently right now I'm driving, and necessarily I don't know where I'm driving to, but I am driving, so I guess this is considered a POV vlog. Shit, I don't know what to call it, but all I know is I wanted to pick the camera up and record, post something on the YouTube, edit the video, do all that good stuff. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. Like I said, let me know what type of videos y'all want to see. I'm ready for the weather to break, and I'm ready for the cars to link up so we can have more content for y'all, because right now we just currently winging it. So hopefully y'all enjoy the vlog or enjoy whatever I got planned for y'all in today's video. But I know that I wanted to record a video, so yeah. I should go stop at the exhaust shop and see what's going on with this exhaust leak situation, or see if it's even an exhaust leak, see if it's cracked, see what's going on with it. Ugh, get around now. Get around now. Yeah. These roads is just fucked. What the fuck? What? Did that nigga just turn from that lane, or am I tweaking? Did he just make a turn from that lane? I'ma definitely have to go back and watch that video, cause what the fuck? If I was in the work truck, I would have had to see what was to it. Never. We finna run into some bullshit. Some fucked up roads, I bet. Glad they closing all this shit up, because this road terrible. I got a heavy foot today. Probably because it kind of feels good outside. I should have skated across that Oh, he damn near just, these motherfuckers, Indianimals tweaking right now. He just almost hit this shit. Nah, they ass tripping today, twin. Let me slow up. Look at that old school, the Caprice joint. He trying to get loose in there. He might not know what this is. Show him a little bit. What? Yeah, this one of those. Oh yeah, let me think for a second. Chicago Avenue. Am I making a left right here? I think I'm making a left. Yeah, I am making a left. Either this shop dry today or they're closed today. They must be closed today. Because what's today? Saturday? Or either the shop just ain't busting like that, or they just closed today. No, let's go in here and see. Well, let's pull up and see. Yeah, I think this motherfucker closed today. Okay. Dang, they closed. What's today? Saturday? Today's Saturday, ain't it? What? Saturday and Sunday closed. Business hours. Oh, they changed their hours. So they close Saturdays and Sundays now. So now they just Monday through Fridays. That's crazy. That's crazy. I won't never be able to get work done unless I call off. Cause I ain't taking this motherfucker nowhere else. Can't take this motherfucker nowhere else, man. Look at how he's stomping that bitch. Alright. Yeah, look at the suede. Look at the suede. I'm gonna do the whole suede dash. I did have a door, but for some reason, I gotta put some more alcohol on this shit because shit wasn't sticking like how it's stuck to this. So maybe I gotta alcohol this down some more. And I gotta get some sharper blades. I'm driving this motherfucker. ground was dry, man, I would have definitely did a pull for y'all. But I know this bitch gonna break traction like a motherfucker. So, a lot of people said they like it black. They like when it's, you know, like this black and not actual, you know. Which, I like it black too, because red just in the middle of the steering wheel, I don't know. Neighborhood popping. Let me drop the back windows so I can pick up more of the exhaust. So I can pick up more of the exhaust note. Somebody shit rattling. Y'all ever be driving and somebody else shit start rattling and you think it's your shit? Chill out, bro. You floating that bitch. No side mirror. Wow, look at that. I might have to go back in all-wheel drive mode. I feel like the, what's the name? Super sketchy, super fucking sketchy. Super fucking sketchy. Damn, who the police chasing? Yeah, I gotta get my hands on some more 5 spokes. I think that's the wheel that I want, 5 spokes. Gotta get my hands on some more 5 spokes, man. Might as well, right? That motherfucking exhaust sound crazy. That shit just, you know, like it just. Are those speed bumps down there? Ah, yeah, but they love speed bumps. I don't fuck with them speed bumps. Alright, man, let me go ahead, close this video out. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. And yeah, all that good stuff. If I get into something later on, I'm gonna definitely pick the camera up and vlog. But I guess this is like a small POV. Well, not even small POV, because this video was pretty long. Pretty darn long for a POV. So definitely not a small POV. So let me go ahead. Oh, look at that gear shifter. That motherfucker suede. Ooh, I do the suede dash. Ooh, that shit'll be crazy. Hold on, let me go ahead and close this video out, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, like I said, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. This is my 2013 Chrysler 300C all-wheel drive with the 5.7 Hemi in it. And I really want to throw a Pro Charger. Well, not a Pro Charger. I really want to throw a Supercharger. I want to go. I really want to go Supercharger or something. And I just want these wheels changed out. And that's it. I want the rear end swap. I want the rear end swap with the tail lights and a Torque Storm Supercharger and the Fat Cat, the 5-spoke Hellcat wheels, and a nice little wrap on this car. And I'll be the happiest man alive. You feel me? And yeah, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.